All right, it's day 6 of the Woody and Wilcox Mel Great Boob Grow Experiment. It's Monday, so Friday we left off at day 3. She was at 41 and 5/8. She'd grown an eighth of an inch over the first 3 days of the experiment. We've got until Friday left. Let's begin the day 6 measurement.
I don't know about today.
All right, officially day 6 of the Woody and Wilcox Great Boob Grow Experiment. The only downside is you're wearing the black today, and
It's kind of loose.
it's not as low cut as we'd like, and it's sort of, it's slimming. It doesn't make them look quite as big as.
I think you're gonna have to take me shopping. You want the low cut shirts from Friday?
You know what? That's not a bad
And
idea.
take me shopping too.
No,
Yeah,
that's not
something
happening.
low-cut.
He likes the low cut. We need low cut gear.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what the measurement is. On Friday, she had gained, at least according to Woody's math, an eighth of an inch up to 41 and 5/8, I believe, was the tally on Friday.
Still at 41 and 5/8. We are holding at 41 and 5/8.
At least it didn't shrink.
There is no change.
Well, that's right. So we've got, today's Monday, we've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be the finale. And we'll find out if because they started at 41 and a half.
Yes.
And we've gained an eighth. We'll see what
I'll
comes
try and
next.
see what I can find for tomorrow.
Yeah, if you don't
As low
mind.
as possible, just for you.
Yeah, we'll help
Or
you
just
earn.
don't wear a shirt tomorrow.
Oh, here we go.
Well, maybe on Friday. That'll be the
You want to make $20?
that'll be the climax.